Langchain. Before we get into every agent framework, there's one thing most people get wrong. An AI agent is not just a chatbot with extra steps. A chatbot answers. An agent decides, acts, checks its own work, and tries again if it's wrong. That difference is the entire reason this category exists. And Langchain is where most of it started. Released in 2022 by Harrison Chase, Langchain became the first framework that let developers chain prompts, tools, and memory together instead of writing everything from scratch. It's less a single tool and more a giant toolbox. Prompt templates, memory modules, document loaders, over 600 tool integrations. Almost every agent tutorial online still starts here. Its biggest strength is coverage. If a tool, API, or vector database exists, Langchain probably already connects to it. The weakness is the same thing in reverse. With that much flexibility comes a lot of boilerplate. Simple agents can end up needing far more code than they should. And updates have broken things enough times that Langchain Migration Guide is basically its own genre of developer pain. Still, it's the framework almost everyone learns first, even if they eventually outgrow it. LangGraph, which is exactly why the same team built LangGraph. Agents that just call tools in a straight line break the moment a task gets complicated. Real work loops, branches, and sometimes has to backtrack. LangGraph solves that by treating an agent like a graph, not a script. Every step is a node. Every decision is an edge. The agent can loop back, retry a failed step, or hand off to a different node entirely. Think of Langchain as giving your agent tools, and LangGraph as giving it a brain that knows when to stop, rethink, and try a different path. It's built for production systems where things need to be reliable, not just impressive in a demo. Companies like Klarna and Replit use it for exactly that reason. The trade-off is complexity. Graphs are more powerful than chains, but they're also harder to reason about, and debugging a stuck loop at 2 a.m. is a very specific kind of pain. CrewAi. CrewAi takes a completely different angle. Instead of one agent doing everything, why not build a team? Created by João Moura and released in 2023, CrewAi is built around roles. You define a researcher, a writer, and an editor, give each one a job description, and let them collaborate like an actual office, minus the coffee breaks and passive-aggressive emails. Each agent has a role, a goal, and a backstory that shapes how it behaves, and CrewAi handles the coordination between them automatically. It's become extremely popular for content pipelines, research summarization, and workflow automation, largely because it's readable. You can look at a CrewAi script and actually understand what's happening without a computer science degree. The catch is that multi-agent systems add overhead. More agents talking to each other means more API calls, more cost, and more chances for one confused agent to send the whole crew in the wrong direction.